Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. If you are in trading or if you are interested in trading, this is the video you need to watch. This is the core foundation. Study how to read the economic calendar, how to select the environment you need to trade. This is the foundation. You will believe me with time. Why I am giving so much emphasis on these words? Because with the time you will trust your analysis, everything, when you relate it to these events. These are not just the time and you will see the volatility. No. Just think about like the injections, the inducement, and inducement doesn't mean manipulation. Okay, so we will walk through and I will teach you how to read the economic calendar properly. Okay, from basic to the top level, we will study today. Just stick with me. This is one of the most important topic of the trading industry. Okay, if you don't want to learn from me, learn from anyone which you like, but at least you need to know these things. Okay, so then you need to go to the trading environment and then you need to take a trade. But before starting, I am giving you a clear thing. I am not a financial advisor. I am doing what the fast give me the results. Okay, and this is only for the entertainment or educational purposes. Okay, so let's start it. Today is 19th of January, which is Monday, and we are almost the third week of the Jan 2026. Okay, how to select like this Euro, GBP, and USD? You will go to here. This is a forex factory. All of you know, I think, but if you don't know, this is a forexfactory.com. You just need to Google it and you will come here. First thing, you need to do the high impact news and the bank holiday. This is this showing the bank holiday. Okay, and then from here you will select the market you are trading. This is also very important. I am trading according to the US market, so I am selecting that. I am not trading Chinese or Asian market. That's why I didn't select it. Okay, but you know the fundamentally of Asian market, what they are accumulating, what they are distributing. Okay, Euro, then pound, and then USD. One of the most important and this three is the USD. Then you will apply the filter. It will show you where is the high impact injection of volatility and when the bank will take a holiday. They will specify the exact date. So Monday of 19 January 2026, bank holiday. Mark my words, do not trade on bank holiday. Do not trade on bank holiday. Okay, next Tuesday, January 2026, right? It, and all this time is according to the Eastern time, mean the New York time. How you will select from here? Okay, here you need to come here and you will see this is US and GMT minus 5. Now it is daylight saving time shift, so it is GMT minus 4, and I think in the March it will be GMT minus 4. Now it is GMT minus 5. Okay, so this is also important. This selection is also important. Yes, I'm not that guy like this going step by step. Okay, you need to watch the complete thing so you know better what to do. just not shifting your mind like a monkey's gravitating one thing then another thing. Yes. Okay, I'm not a TikToker. Okay. Tuesday you have GBP, then GBP. You see any USD news here? It is relation of dollar. This is also relation of dollar. No, you only see the pound news. It is also important. By the time you will learn these things, okay? Okay. And then the Wednesday 21, 2026, pound CPI yearly. Then this is a annual meeting for the this is the meeting is will be done in the Switzerland. It is an economic forum, World Economic Forum annual meeting in which the CEOs will come together and will give a touch upon how we need to move forward in the coming year or the coming decades. Okay. Then President Trump speaks. Then Thursday 2026 and the date is 22. My apologies. 8:30 injection USD, 10 a.m. best time. Core PCE price index monthly. Then Friday 2 euro GBP, then euro, then GBP, then USD. Okay, this is a complete cluster of news. This news doesn't mean like you will get the volatility. You will see the things with the time. I am teaching a specific model. If you didn't watch my last video, watch it. This is very, very important for you. Trust me, this is very, very important. Okay. Then the coming week we are coming. Monday no news, no trade. Tuesday no news, but you can take, but with the small leverage, you can say, on paper trading. Okay. Then Wednesday there is federal rate cut, which you will decide up, like you can see from the CME Watch tool, which I will also teach you. I will also give you a touch upon, but in the future. Thursday 8:30 unemployment clap. Friday 8:30. Going forward, we are coming here to the February 2026. I am giving you the hints. Just look these hints. This is very important. February per every week one. Ideally and usually you will see non-farm payroll for the week 2. Ideally usually you will see the CPI in the week 3. Usually you will see the rate cut. Okay. And then the week 4 there will be no major event and will be smooth. Like this is a Q4. No, I'm not talking about the quarterly theory or anything else. You need to learn this thing. This thing is repeating. When this thing is going from one week to another week, then you know this is not the best condition to trade. Okay. Okay, let's study. Monday news, we need to take some actions. Tuesday, it is the first week. Tuesday, we need to take some action. Wednesday, in the morning session of New York, you wanna do something, do it, or you need to wait. At least Friday, non-farm payroll after 10 o'clock. Okay. Second week of February 2026. Monday, no news, no trade. Tuesday, February 10, no news, you can. CPI. And this thing is repeating again and again and again. Mark my words. Okay, Thursday 8:30 unemployment claim. Friday no news, but it is better to, you will see with the time. Okay, February 15 to 21 Monday bank holiday. No trade. Bank holiday will slap you on your pace. Do not trade on this day. Okay, Tuesday there is some volatility injection at 30. Good. Wednesday good. Thursday unemployment. In this Friday is a cluster. We are going to week 4. Week 4 Monday no news, no trade. If Monday have no news or bank holiday, no trade. If there is a high impact news, I will show you. CPI Tuesday should not be traded. Monday, Tuesday should not be traded now. So Wednesday you will wait for this thing to happen. Okay. The week 1 Friday non-farm payroll. Thursday no trade. Even there is a news. Why? Because there is usually consolidated environment before high impact news, which is causing the market high fluctuation. Okay, and you will not trade the news trading is just, in my opinion, it is manipulation. Some guys is doing the thing on the internet, I am seeing, but if you are new here, stay away from it. Yes, and by the experience and by the time you will see the thing, like why I'm telling you these things to stay away. Okay, February is 2020, 2026, 26 Thursday unemployment. Okay, Monday no trade, Tuesday good, Wednesday good, Thursday good, Friday good. This is March. We are going to the March. This is 2026. Okay, so if you have pen and paper and you are reading with me this calendar, you know when to trade and when to not trade, when to engage, when to not engage, just by looking to the economic calendar. I'm not charging anything, I am not texting to anyone, I am not DM to anyone. If anyone pretending to be me, it is a scammer. Stay away. Okay, Monday. The first week Monday you will find usually there is a news and it is good. Tuesday 10 again is a news and it is good. Wednesday is a news and it is good. But here you will take, meaning if you are going on the some highway, you need to slow it down. Okay, no trade. Why? High impact news. So before high impact news day is no trade. Bank holiday is no trade. No news Monday is no trade. Contract ending date, especially the complete week, no trade. Like the March will be the end of the 3-month contracts. You see what I'm telling you. Okay, then the second week. Monday, no news, no trade. Tuesday, it's good. Wednesday, CPI. It is the second week. Most of the guys is waiting for the second week because the first week is usually consolidating environment. We have many things to discuss on the charts, on this economic calendar. Every time I will start my analysis with this economic calendar, why I am going to the market, why I am not going to the market. This is the first step, core foundation of your trading, paper trading. Core CPI, PPI, and then there is CPI. Tuesday no trade, Monday no trade, CPI you will wait until CPI done, then these two is good. Okay, you are marking your days. Monday good, Tuesday, not good. Why? FOMC is coming. So you need to wait to fast this event. At least this day. Thursday, good. Friday, no news, but it is good. Some guys on the internet is giving misinformation to the other guys and you guys. Like they are telling to you, do not trade on the no news day. No, this is wrong. Just understand the context, the narrative. Monday, no news, no trade. You need to wait for the market to give you some data, some information on which you can trade on the Tuesday. Okay, CPI. This is pound. Okay, take care. Take care. What I'm teaching you, take care. USD unemployment claim, and then this retail sales Friday. So okay, that's all. Just take care of your trading protocols. This is the core concept. Watch the complete year before 2025 2024. Going your economic calendar and see, filter it, select the time, then filter it, then see what is going on, what is already done in the past. You will see it, inshallah. The point is, I am telling you, if you are ignoring these things, you are missing a big information or a source of data. Why? This is not just injections. This is give you the narrative, and by the time you will see in 1 week there is only euro news and there is only pound news, and then you will see the crack between these 2 weeks on the real time on the chart, and you will know, wow, this is the amazing feeling. Okay, so just take care of your thing. दुआ में याद रखिएगा. अल्लाह हाफिज़. अस्सलाम वालेकुम.